drop it.
If you had one story to tell, one song to share, one image to capture, how would you do it? Meet offGrid, your take anywhere, play anything companion. offGrid fits in the palm of your hand and travels in your pocket. We wanted to combine the responsiveness and versatility of a real instrument with the possibilities of a mobile device. Designed to empower your story wherever life takes you. Shake it, bend it, dance with it. offGrid translates your expression with precision and fluidity, so you can go from sketch to masterpiece without skipping a beat. A truly expressive instrument becomes an extension of your personality. Whichever story you were born to tell, do it your way, on the moment.